What's up? Well, here we go. Got a little bit of oil. Got my drawer sitting over here. So let's see what this cherry looks like. I was gonna do the whole thing, but it took me over 2 hours to put the finish on it. So this is basically it. You can't really mess up the yellow, boiled linseed oil, whatever. Okay? Oops. You don't want to drop the rag like I just did. That's okay. And you just wipe it on. That's all there is to it. Look at that, huh? Woo, doggy. That looks amazing. You can see I get the bottom in. See I get the screw on there. Putting bottoms in takes a while. And I just love using pine as a secondary wood, not just because it's very stable, but I like the color of it. And I like the fact that it's really pretty light, so. All right, this is it. I mean, how tough can it be, right? I know I'm really close, but that's okay. And I'm just wiping it on, wiping it off. Miyagi style, you know what I mean? Hang on a sec. Okay, ta-da. Nothing to it. Okay. Make sure when you're done, your rag goes in some water, because that thing will burst into flames, burn your shop down. Let me take this glove off, hang on. That doesn't taste very good. All right, you guys are gonna be really impressed. Oops, I just ruined it. See if I can get this thing in there. One day I'll have a camera guy again, and this stuff will be more fun to watch. Right now it's a train wreck. But that's okay. Yeah, look at that. What do you think? That is something else, if you ask me. Remember when I was talking all about paying attention to the grain direction, making sure you knew what was what, keeping an eye on which way the light is going to reflect off of these surfaces. See? Because the final result is everything. I am tired. I bang that thing out in no time. And those drawers take forever because they're hand cut dovetails. If you wonder why all the holes are drilled for the hardware already, it's because I like to do it beforehand. God forbid, in case I make a mistake or something, I can fix it. But man, look at that cherry. Come around to the back. You see I put my stops in right here. I glue and screw them on. Pretty clean, right? I have all the drawers numbered, so it doesn't get confusing when you take them out of the holes, put them back in, right? Let's see, here we go. See that? All hand cut. They certainly take a while. Make sure that the bottom's nice and tight so there isn't a big reveal between, the side and the bottom. That's always challenging. But yeah, that's it. Remember, I was agonizing over this stuff right here. I didn't hit it perfectly, but you can see that it doesn't look like it's out of place at all on any of the dividers, right? You see what I'm saying? That divider doesn't look like it's out of place because it was cut sequentially out of that piece of wood. And I really like the top drawers. It looks as though it was like, a 6-foot piece of wood, but it wasn't. It was 3 feet that I resawed. You like the reveals around the doors? You see how I try to incorporate just that little bit of sapwood right here on the edge of the door, and on the bottom 2 drawers. I left it on purpose, and then I have the same little bit over there on that door. It's because this top has a little piece on it that I couldn't get rid of. So I did the best I could to incorporate it. I'm glad this bad boy's done. It weighs a ton. Yeah, I'm sweating. But I did it. I got it done in like 2.5, 3 weeks or something. Banged it out, because this piece of furniture is gonna help pay for some of the equipment that I got coming in here. So I got this and 2 more pieces to hopefully, offset that massive cost. But I hope you learned something. I hope you picked something up about really paying attention to the grain orientation of the raw material before you decide to cut it into anything. So the next time you see this piece, it'll be finished and photographed in my client's new space. And then it's gonna be in addition to my book. So don't forget, my book's coming out soon. It's a coffee table book. I've taught you anything over the years, please do me a favor and, buy one of my books. That's how you can repay me for all the free content I've been giving you guys for the last, since 2006. Believe that? Man, I'm getting old. All right, well, I gotta clean up this disaster area. The dude's coming tomorrow to pick up his machinery, so I gotta get all that stuff cleaned up. And yeah, one more piece for the record books. See you.